This is a slab station I created. You can see here you have a display for 2 graded cards. 1 in the front, 2 on the other sides, and then 1 on the back. And you can rotate this any way you want, and you'll have that card there. The lid fits nice and tight, which is good. Make sure things don't fall out. I have different types of cards here. You can see this is PSA, this is CCG, and this is another type. Just to kind of give you an idea, majority of every card that I have that's graded fits, but I don't have every single graded service. But this thing's awesome. So the slab storage holds 25 cards inside and 6 on the outside. Just to give you an idea, here's another one that does not have cards in it. We have 19 cards inside, and you can see even ones with bags on it from eBay Guarantee or anything like that fit as well, and in these areas as well. So we have some cards on the back. We'll just take this one because this is my favorite, Gem 10. Puts that there. We'll put this one here. We'll do a Caitlin Clark side. These are Caitlin Clark cards I pulled, which is nice. Got an 8 and a 10. And then we'll go ahead and put this in. This has a bag, still fits. And this limited one out of 230. So now we have a nice storage here, but don't forget the lid. The lid is what really sets it off. The first few times you put it on, it's going to be pretty tight, but it's going to fit. Just want to make sure you get it in the center. It's good that it stays tight, because then you don't have to worry about them falling out or anything like that. So there we have the slab storage. This is my product I've created. Eventually I'll sell the rights to it through Patreon, but currently you can go through and pick it up at HelpfulTutorials.net, or just click the linked product. Coming up with different colors, I got black. The silver/gray looked amazing. That's why I've kept it. And I'm also checking out a blue and red one. So I will have those as well. I'm just seeing which ones work. But currently, I like the black and the silver. So those are what is available on day 1.